Tariki 21 mweri wa Mugwanja mwaka wa 2018 niguo giko gia kuragwo kwa Njogu mutito-ini wa Imenti thini wa kaunti ya Meru kiahandikire. Bica iria ciacokire gutherema nenda-ini cia kiriu tariki 19 mweri wa 11 mwaka uyu. Bica ici ciatigire muingi undu umwe na honge iria ikoragwo muhari-ini wa mbere guthaitira nyamu cia githaka na matukoya maingi na uthuthuria bara nginya kiambiko kuitana na aria monekanaga bica-ini ici makigera ngero ino. Thutha wa mieri mingi uthuthuria guoko kurahiu kwa watho gugikinyira Kenneth Babu na andu angi eri magikuruhanio na giko giki aria makinyire igoti-ini ria Nanyuki thini wa kaunti ya Laikipia umuthi.
Killing elephants is an illegality, and the due process, the due legal process have to be taken.
Atatu aya makinyirio mbere ya mucirithania Vincent Masivo kuria Babu ahinguriirwo thitango ya kuraga nyamu ya githaka mugaru na watho undu uria areganire naguo na arekererio na bodi ya ciringi 300,000 na waria maikirio ngono nake marekererio gukirikana matiahutanire na njira yothe na giko giki.
The government is very serious in terms of conservation. KWS, the organization which is in charge of wildlife conservation, will do whatever is possible to make sure that anybody who was seen in that creep will be processed through the normal legal processes.
Kuringana na munini wa murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa KWS gitaru-ini kia rugongo rwa bururi Michael Wanjau ekwira onge 10 marathie na mbere gwethanwo na ugukwa kihemuka na muhiu ari othe mekunyitikana makiunuha nyamu cia githaka kiuga ni megukinyukirio makinya ma kiwatho.
So we have names of more than 10 people, but unfortunately they all went underground because the information leaked that the people seen killing that particular elephant would be apprehended. So our attempts to get them immediately after that did not bear fruit.
Mwaka muhituku Njogu 39 gatagati ka Njogu 34 na munyi 9 gatagati ka munyi 1,000 ni ciuragirwo undu uria watumire minista wa ugendi Najib Balala endekithie guthondekwo kwa watho wa gutuirwo kiho kia maisha kuri mundu wothe wanyitikana akigwima kana kuraga nyamu ya githaka.